Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make the best chicken and steak parrillada. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin prepping. For our marinade, we're going to squeeze the juice out of 2 oranges, the juice of 2 limes. To that, add 1/4 cup of avocado oil, 2 minced garlic cloves, and all of our spices. Now we're just going to give it a good mix. And here you can taste it for salt and see if you need to adjust it. But once we have that, we're going to divide it into 2 different containers. Into each container, I'm going to add half a jalapeño and half of an onion. Okay, so now we can add our meats. Okay, so here I have 1.5 pounds of steak. Just make sure that it gets nice and coated. And here I have 1.5 pounds of thin sliced chicken breast. Again, make sure that it gets nice and coated with the marinade. Okay, so once we have them, now we're just going to cover them and allow them to marinate overnight or for at least 4 hours. Alrighty, and once our chicken and steak have marinated for at least 4 hours, now we can get ready to begin cooking it. Okay guys, so here I have my grill, it's nice and hot. Now we're going to place our meat and cook it until the chicken reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees and the steak is done to your desired doneness. I'm also going to be grilling some beef sausages, nopales, chile güeritos, and onions and cook them until they're nice and soft and sharp. And once everything is done, we're just going to transfer it to our baking sheet, cover it with foil, and allow it to rest for 5 minutes. Alright guys, and after 5 minutes, we can now get ready to serve and enjoy. And of course, you can always serve it in a plate with your rice and beans. Here I have my guacamole, my queso panela, so I am ready. Let's just get the chicken. So perfect. The chile güerito. Got the steak. So good. Alright guys, and there you have it, how to make a super easy and delicious chicken and steak parrillada. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you like this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.